Let us proceed towards installing Xampp server in our system. Fine. Just click next. Check out all the things. Click again next. Select your local disk. You can select any local disk, even C, D, E, whatever you have. My C is full and my D is for software, so I'm just installing it in local disk E and giving it a name, that is Xampp. Again click next. Just uncheck that one, or else there will be a window will be open for showing introduction part of the Xampp. Okay. Ray, it's started. Well, it's taking a while. It's a long file. Oh, got a solution. I just trimmed and cropped the video of this one. Great, now it's completed. I've just clicked launch the Xampp server. Click next. Soon it will be started. You just have to select the language. Oh, fine, it's okay. It's open now. This pop-up is the Xampp control panel. Here my Apache server is there and MySQL database is there. You just have to click start in front of both of the boxes. Soon it will be started. As you can see, just allow access to the Windows firewall. Now our next step is to check whether this control panel is working or not. So we just type in localhost on the URL, so that there will be a pop-up will come and it will ask whether you want to use which web browser. So we will just select anyone, but for me Firework is better for me for practicing anything. Now there will be a win. Got an issue. Oh, it's localhost. Can be resolved. Not a big deal. Now, yeah, you are now ready for the coding HTML or PHP on any framework which will be on website base. So if you like it, get ready for the new session for starting HTML or PHP sessions. Enjoy.